one of my staff members reported that there was some filming going on in the store. I just wanted to make sure if everything was okay or...
Oh, no, we're good. We're just waiting on Tyler to check out something for us.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're just pretty much waiting, but we're not doing much.
Okay. Are you guys filming your
no.
trip to the store? Okay. No. One of our staff members had a concern just about people filming them and then putting it online and stuff like that. So we just wanted to be sure.
Oh,
okay, that's it.
Good.
Okay. Well, good. Happy hunting, guys.
Yeah.
Tyler shouldn't be long at all.
Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, DiAndersons. I'm Nats.
Hey guys, what going? So you know, say I'm them. So in today's video, we will be going to a furniture shop. You know, we currently I look for one box spring where ice up a mattress a little bit higher. Obvious reason when we get a little bit higher, so we need something. We bring up a mattress. So we thought, you know what? We'll be taking you guys on today's trip because one of the reasons is we see a lot of persons do videos about coming to Canada as a new person, but nobody not really show you guys what it is like.
Exactly how it is like.
Forget the furniture.
The day-to-day ins and out of things.
Exactly. Like for example, when I just moved to a new country, I have to consider getting furniture, right? Getting furniture one of the big thing because you can't rent an empty apartment or an empty house. And even though some places rent furnished, many places rent unfurnished, so you have to get your own things, right? So that is what today's video is all about. So the store that we'll be going in today, it's called The Brick. It's one of the most it's convenient, but it's also expensive at the same time, depending on the item. Them sell mostly used furniture.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir?
No. Sorry. Them sell mostly new furniture. Yeah, I'm mostly for But the reason I'm bring up used furniture is you have many places that sell used furniture, right? So it depends on what you want. You can get it used or you can get it new. But the thing is, the standards are so high that even used furniture, it look like a new furniture because they can't sell it if it's in a certain condition, like riff-raff and certain little thing. It have to be next to new, basically, right? Also, you have a number of other options when you're looking for furniture. You can buy it cash, or you can buy it on credit, just like what we would call hire purchase. If I buy it on credit, though, like for example, like a place like this, you have to have what, babes?
Your credit score have to intact, basically. So them check your credit score to get the furniture.
Yeah.
Other places, as you say, cash. You walk in, pay, carry out, cash. Some other places you pay down. Just like you pay at $5 a year, $5 next week, whatever case it may be. Layaway. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that's something there. Yes. Some places do that as well. And some next place, like
Easy home do like rent to own.
Rent to own.
So you rent it to pay a certain amount of money until a certain time you end up own it, right? So you can lease it. They don't call it hire purchase, they call it lease. You can lease the furniture. You can lay away upon your furniture. You can buy your furniture cash, or you can rent to own. It really depends on what your budget is like, and also your lifestyle. Not everybody feel comfortable with buying used furniture, but you know, we're not partial. We're not partial at all. Exactly, we're not partial none at all. So we don't have no problem buying a used furniture if it's in a good condition. And that is what personally we would advise you to do. If you're new to Canada as a new worker or as a new international student, and also money kind of tight, you spend a lot of money and then you just try to establish back yourself. Most of the time where you're living right now is just a temporary thing. It's just a temporary thing in terms of you stay here so right now, but as soon as you reach a little level, you move past this. So it don't make no sense you go furnish out somewhere where
you just come here furnish and you're broke already. Because you pay school fee or carry your family come. You're broke already. Don't look for both furniture like one whole of furniture for much room and stuff. If I go you fit sleep with one mattress, get one mattress. Do it for a couple of days if I saw.
Yeah, but watching people, as we said, most of the places, them, if your film come fully furnished, them provide the basics: a fridge, a stove, a microwave, or a dishwasher, and a washer and dryer. So them they normally come with an apartment or a house if you are rent. You have access to washer and dryer. You have access. You get a stove. You get a fridge. And some places give a microwave while other give a dishwasher. Some places give both, but other places either one or the other. So you get them, so you not have to worry about them. You don't have to buy them the thing for yourself unless you have your own house. Just go and use what is provided. And when I say provided, no mean share. You mean I get it in your unit, a your own. And the only thing you have to get are probably your bed, one little dresser. You know, based on your own comfort, a couch, a TV stand. But we suggest the bare minimum, right? Because you establish yourself, you try to integrate into a new country, and which by the temporary. It don't make no sense just you furnish out and stock out and buy one bag of furniture cash for somewhere you don't know how long you're going to stay, alright? But anyways, that's enough talking. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to a store or bring one with me so we can see what the furniture is all about. Stay tuned. Rainy day. Hello. How are you?
We need it though.
Absolutely. Thank you. We're good. So we are doing two things. We're just looking around. That's one. And we are also looking for a king size box spring.
King size box springs. I think I've got a couple of them in the back. At least I did yesterday when I went to go check for them.
Okay.
I seem to remember they were like 150 a pop, so probably around 300 or so for a set.
Well, to be honest, we actually have a gift card for $250, so we're looking to spend that. So if you can find
I've got
something.
some that are a little bit lower than that, but I'd have to order them up from Edmonton. Do you need them right away, or?
Not necessarily right away, but if you had something in stock, that would be awesome.
I know two of them back there were as-is guys, so those ones might have like the dust curtain or something that's come off a little, and if so, then they can probably get a price.
Yeah, let us see what that is like, and then we can decide.
They don't have them out. They don't bother displaying that type of stuff. There's
Okay.
no good reason to. I'll go check with the guys and see if they're even still there. If not, then we'll have to order one way or another.
Okay, sounds good.
Otherwise, wander around and enjoy, okay?
Absolutely.
My name's Tyler. If you have any questions in the meantime, I'll be out in a few minutes one way or another, so hold on to them, and then while you're wandering, I'll check in with you guys, okay?
Thank you, Tyler. We'll be just wandering around.
Of course, let me go do some poking.
Okay.
Okay.
So as we stated, guys, in this store, these furnitures are mostly new, and the prices that you're seeing displayed are the cash price. If you want financing, you would have to speak with a representative, and then they would work out your financing plan, and based on the package you will then see what would be your weekly, bi-weekly, or your monthly payment. And to be honest, they are pretty flexible, but the only thing with this store is, as a new immigrant, you might find it difficult to get financing from this store because they usually seek to give persons who already have established credit history, and that is like sometimes difficult. But there are tons of other places that gives credit for new immigrants. If you want furniture, you can't afford to buy it cash, you can get brand new furniture on credit. You have tons of other places. We'll try and do another video in that store where we can show you guys where you can get credit as a new immigrant for furniture, right? But we're just looking around in this store, showing you guys some of the furnitures and some of the prices so you can have an idea, and that is a general idea. Okay, guys?
Some of them you can even get in a small chair. But this is that pull-up piece that I was mentioning. It comes up. If you don't have a coffee table sitting in the way like this, it makes it a little easier.
This one is inconvenient though. This is easy to hold on.
Yeah. Oh.
This is nice.
And they're really popular these days with a lot of people because, like, you can lounge on something like this. You don't have to just use a sofa bed part of it.
Yeah. It can just be a lounge, as you said.
Exactly. It's sort of like having a recliner.
What's the
that you can
cost?
Store away.
$32.99.
That's usually what most of these types of sectionals are sitting around. Typically, you'll see on good buys somewhere around 20% on these guys. Here.
Okay.
So if you guys see some stuff there and you guys are thinking about it here, I'll give you my card anyway.
Yeah.
And as well
So
as
Tyler, I have a
tell
quick
me,
question.
I need this, and this, and I'll find you the best price.
So I have a quick question, Tyler. So, do you guys only do new furnitures, or do you guys do used furnitures as well?
When we get used stuff, it's typically things like those chairs and that section over there where if somebody received one that's damaged, we replaced it for them. I'll have old floor models that the manufacturers don't make anymore, and then those guys get cleared out. But
Okay.
that's pretty much what we're dealing with those.
What about financing? Is financing done on used furniture as well, or does it have to be
absolutely,
new? Okay.
Even on the clearance stuff, we can do it there. Sometimes it might not make a lot of sense on a $200 chair to pay them $100
Yeah,
for
yeah,
the
exactly.
fee and all that type of stuff. But yeah, that's something that's easy enough for us to do on these guys. The only time that we have to worry about is if we have like a special financing, like let's say we have don't pay anything for, I don't know, 10 years.
Yeah.
Those ones will typically have some minimum purchase that you have to do with them.
Okay.
Sometimes they'll exclude TVs or something like that. But yeah, on those kind of weird ones, we just go through it with you and we'll, explain all the charges just like you would normally expect when we're selling you something, right?
Okay. Absolutely. So guys, as you can see, I was just talking to Tyler. He is mentioning that it doesn't matter if it's new or if it's used, you can still get financing. It all depends on what you guys want, okay? Malika, mine, I'm not thinking on a TV in your yard. If you're enjoying this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment. If you have any questions about getting a furniture here as a new immigrant, leave a comment and we'll be happy to answer your questions. And also, let us know what you think about this store. So far, we think it has some very nice stuff, as we said, but we think it's one of the most more expensive stores, especially where we are at. So it's definitely not the cheapest store, but you can get quality stuff. So sometimes it's good to spend a little bit extra and get that quality, but sometimes when you're not having money, you just have to hold up on something kind of cheap, alright? So it all depends upon your lifestyle and what you prefer as well. But leave a comment, let us know what you think.
Oh, doon eh? Wala?
MJ,
This is like in a movie room, like you have a movie room.
Yeah, this is, and we have a little cup holder.
Cup holder.
Go and test it out.
Yeah, test it out. Oh, gosh. Yeah, recline.
Hello, how's it going, folks?
Hello,
We're good.
Good. I just wanted to check in. One of my staff members reported that there was some filming going on in the store. I just wanted to make sure that everything was okay, or...
Oh no, we're good. We're just waiting on Tyler to check out something for us.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're just pretty much waiting, but we're not doing much.
Okay. Are you guys filming your
Oh, no.
trip to the store? Okay. One of our staff members had a concern just about people filming them and then putting it online and stuff like that. So we just wanted to be sure.
Oh,
Okay, that's
all
it.
good.
Okay.
All good.
Happy hunting, guys.
Yeah.
Tyler shouldn't be long at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, take care, guys.
Yeah. Cup holder. I'm tired. I was like, go fast on it. I was like, go fast on it.
Yeah, cool. Oh, here we are, Tyler. What's that doing?
But I'm moving this to like one. I'm waiting on it. I'm in my time.
You ready to that?
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward.
Hey. Oh. Hi, Malika.
You just kind of leave the balance like blank left in the system. And then I send a form head office, they apply it to the account.
Oh, here, I see.
Good
Okay.
to go. And if there's any issues, they tell us to call you.
Sounds good.
All right.
It's not your tablet. It's tablet. The tablet is like.
Mm-hmm. Job look hard. That job look hard.
Alright, so with the 250 there. So right now 190 with the delivery, the tax is 295. So I'm just gonna go ahead and figure out the difference.
Oh, that's it.
How would you like to pay the difference?
That's not true. So there you have it, guys. So we have to stop video because they start program and say, oh, we have video at the store and things. So we tell them, so, oh, we don't have video, you know, so we kind of have to tune up on the video, right? So them not have much things in there, so anyway, make them go. Plus them things are kind of expensive, as I told you guys before, but mostly because their stuff is basically brand new. Not all stores are like this, as I said. All depends on what you guys want. If you want new furniture, used furniture, if you want to buy cash, or if you want to buy it on credit, you have all those options, right? It's totally up to you. So leave a like, guys, leave a subscribe, and leave a comment, right? Make me know if you like this store, or if you guys want us to check out another store to show you guys probably some used furniture as well. Leave a comment, and as I said, road to 1,000 as well. You don't know, so that's a mantra right now, en route to 1,000
subscribers.
And pretty soon, guys, we'll be start doing our live Q&As where we'll answer all your questions about living in Canada. If you want to work, if you want to study in Canada, any questions at all about the daily living, adjusting, and integrating into a Canadian society, we're there for you. All right. So stay tuned. Live Q&A coming soon. Until the next video, DiAndersons.
See ya.